for me mamunia akwaba eba Melodies TV so na I don't know why this is actually happening, but still on Fela Makafui any medical woman wedding at a course no. If wedding na wo share live stream we be hu say embra na medical no na asoja fo bi edi nechi wo kaya video eba as Fela Makafui wo fenti ye kra no be hu say na asoja fo bi ene page Fela Makafui a wo ye say wo de no hospital. Military PRO asoja fo a ewo Ghana ha nyina omokasa mafo obi a asemsi a woba bonten ede asem ebeto Ghana fo enim wode nsem abeto dwane ye friend Colonel Eric Agri Kwashi de worker ene say wone Ghana work for Ghana web ene ye interview na de worker ene say asoja fo na wo mo ba Fela Makafui ene medical word na se na wo mo ebeye security duties ewo ho no ya mo kwan ya mo permission say wo mo mbra. If you don't know this, in asoja fo no untumi sorry say wo de wa wo pe ekọ baby e wo say wo bisa for permission. Enti yesi ya mo permission nti no ya chi omo eno ene nsema the military PRO e de aba betuja say asoja fo a wo mo ko guard Fela ene medical no ya chi omo ho ene ebisa Mr. Kwashi say okay assembly say amoache de yesu so say ebia enya big deal bia edien ena wo de be asoja fo no say he ade we a big deal pan na wo mo asoja fo no ma yo ma de say they clamp down on their own people wo mo fa embra enye juma because they are hearing and they are seeing say it is now becoming one too many. And then we be na asoja ni enam program we ase na asoja ni ye bibi wa ha asoja ni bi se wo gade obi wa ha meanwhile wo mo nim se wo ye soja ni na wo koye security duties e wo se wo bisa for permission wo bisa kwan ni ye ma eye permission wo mo nim sa de we ni ana so wo mo bu omuni etoso a wo mo enye enti wo say yes Ghana for mo amugina bonte mu be hu ne say asem we de nya bibia soja for na bia ye ntwe mo aso papa bia wo say ebetumi abakra said they would dismiss them in a sense ebetumi abase asoja ni ne ye be sake ne kra wo nye soja ni biom na to say na no adwane ya abo no etiefo just because he went to guard Fela and medical embra wo mo wedding asemo wedding ba ko pa engrofu yaye ene asem left right center na Fela afenti na we just say wedding ba ko pa asem be nkreni na Fela ba be ka say o prank meanwhile ye ne nim say enye prank because wo ka say prank a mpenyifo e wo ho ni a say we buo mu ni akwasea afe ya soja fo a wo mo so egade mu a wo Fela wo fenti ya soja fo no ede wo epeja so wo mo de wo ko ka mo de wako hospital kra no sa soja fo ne kra no sisi a ya nhwe ni ya wo mo adwuma ya bebo mo asembe nkreni wedding ba ko pe ngrofu yaye and the baby am febia Fela Makafui anyway they are not matured omo aware no engina just say me nhia nipa ba kompo a waka asema tre me say hey Fela me medical there they will be together forever that me nhia ye obi abeka aware we the engina ebegu omusa medical edi 26 Fela edi 20 just say bad energy from all sorts of angles asembe nkre ni Fela ne me boni be no mo aye awawe baako ehun sem bebre afi ehun sem abamba wo mo profile provide security services kra no wo mo kra wo mo aso ayehye ena we enya asem bi abeka say yes you we asem a military PRO nangasa ababontin abeka na say they've taken this matter serious ye nia ye nim say Ghana military no wo mo time ba bontin emfa asem emba mbetudwa inti se soja fo aba bonten de asem we abetu dwane na tese wo ma fa asem ni serious obi be bisa say na musi den here because a soja fo e ba Fela ni we no mo de ade ahyomuti maza a soja fo ni dey forget you o kata wo say den wo mo de wo meche inti na me ne o ka say sa soja fo meye we ne ya chi omo atum military fo no omo so e wo mu prison bi they have a name for it. I've forgotten the name. omo odin bi omo de friend no oh refi oh I forgotten na mekaya mema mo aso ate omo nso e wo mo prison a wo mo friend edin bi saa nti yache omo akwakotum we say one more investigation and the appropriate sanction will come after the investigation is done. Since the practice of one more it is illegal. Hey, some oh, David. Some na nekre media meka nekre. This is not the first time I mean say in Crofashe uniform, especially soldier for one more private events be one more render security service. This is not the first time. And so for me, it comes as maybe a little harsh. I don't know why, but it comes as a minim say minim say nini na ye felane medical way anything yes say then because senior soldier ni PR na nkasa de tu dwane ade a de bia wo mu say esi na wo mo ebu omuni efiso iti ya de ntia na we nko ade o ma yo ma just wo mo take action me assure say wa wo tie mi e bia wa ko program bia wo be hu no say a soldier for a provide security service e wo ho yes say had na illegal. So why is it that and the felane medical wedding in a soldier for okay, so what if a soldier for no omo ka say oh felane medical omo now for until they were also attending na no so omo ka say oh we were also attending, just that uniform na ye share nti nkofo hu ye no mo fi say ye security asemo wedding ba kope wedding ba kope ayaye left right center semen kwa asembe nkre ni rade nyankopon fele oso bompa on medical oso nko hu oso fo bi bompa pa na nye easy na me person be reading some interesting comments on this particular story na that is you asem we buy asema will be eka was it Mahama sends them or say arrest Mahama now asem we for Mahama ho ben Ghana for mo dear or say arrest Mahama now. Mahama is nothing but a big D. Interfor hene Mahama's D is mysterious. People ni Mahama dumso hene Mahama oh asem Mahama aye dey and I will be be na tell say you are not normal. Walai wo yale pa stop smoking. Iti wo ba be di Mahama tem no bi ka say wonja ise bentampe a wofa. We be say you now see inti obi so ebo Nanado din. I say you now see clueless and lawless Nanado and his MPP government. What they have become. Even the military is up for sale. What about the military garden Galamsey site? Nanado is such a big disgrace. No Ghana for medical any fella your wedding soldier for akọ and the soldier for no one so ayehye no hwe se ne aye de Mahama ene Nanado din aba be frame inti Ghana e politics yet ase de na let me read just some one constructive statement there will be aka and bakon one bomb Mahama ene Nanado din. I say that is a very good move from the military. There was also a police officer, so let's hear from the police too. Uniformed personnel are disgracing themselves too much. I'm around Aguna Swedro and there's a prison just on Winneba blah blah blah. Okay, so nipa with the can say ade a soldier for na ye no. O ma ya ade pa. Na wonu nipa no wo hu say police for bi so no mo she uniform a wo mo e wo fela any medical wedding na say. Police for so yentie say sa police for no so mo be chi na to mo ana say den. Well, say if recruitment is now done on party lines and who can pay more to be recruited, what do you expect? Initially, security services was for those having the passion, but today it is different. And also, Asema will be aircam. We'll also say, Ghana Armed Forces is not for hire to the highest bidder. It is not in your code of ethics. It is then those cheap bribe-taking soldiers need to be fired. Simple. Not just say yes, a soldier form code of ethics no idea be say enim. It's here for monkyerɛ mo adwene ɛwɔ comment box no mu. Meda ase.